Hello everyone, welcome to Heal Yourself rather than see a doctor. 大家好，欢迎来到看医生不如看自己。Today let's talk about Chapter 19, the root cause of high cholesterol and corresponding treatment. 今天我们谈论第19章，高胆固醇的根本原因及对应的治疗方案。Lecture 2, Can people with high cholesterol eat egg yolks, which means egg yellow? 第二个讲座，高胆固醇的人到底能不能吃鸡蛋黄？Doctors are very aware of the harm of the elevated blood cholesterol to the human body. So, as soon as they see patients with high cholesterol, they will tell them not to eat foods with high cholesterol, such as eggs, animal organs, and most seafood, and so on. 医生很明白血中胆固醇升高对人体的危害，所以呢，一看到胆固醇高的患者，就会告诉他们不要吃胆固醇高的食物，如鸡蛋、动物内脏和大多数海产品等。高胆固醇食品全部被封杀。The spread of wrong point of view will do a lot of harm, while the spread of a correct point of knowledge will save countless people. 一个错误的观点传播出去会害人不浅，而一个正确的知识点呢，传播出去会救人无数。What does your high cholesterol have to do with eggs? Eggs have played an extremely important role in the continuation of the race of the Chinese nation. Because China used to be an agricultural country with underdeveloped animal husbandry, most people in most places ate eggs as their main source of protein. 你胆固醇高跟人家鸡蛋有什么关系？鸡蛋在中华民族的种族延续中曾扮演极其重要的角色，因为中国以前是一个农业国家，畜牧业不发达绝大多数地方的人呢以鸡蛋作为蛋白质的主要来源。In the past, when a woman was pregnant and was about to give birth, the most common thing was that relatives and friends brought baskets of eggs to her to eat. After giving birth, they also eat eggs to increase nutrition, and children's supplementary food also starts with egg yolks. 以前哪个人怀孕要生孩子了，看到最多的景象就是亲戚朋友拎着一篮子一篮子的鸡蛋送给他吃，生完孩子也是吃鸡蛋增加营养。孩子加辅食呢，也是先从鸡蛋黄开始。Has the egg taken on the important task of helping the racial continuation of the Chinese nation? You used to eat eggs with low cholesterol, but now you eat eggs with high cholesterol. The chicken is still the same chicken, and the eggs is still the same egg. Your high cholesterol is your own business. What does it has to do with the eggs? 你说，鸡蛋是不是承担起了帮助中华民族种族延续的重任？以前吃鸡蛋胆固醇不高，现在吃鸡蛋胆固醇就高了。鸡还是那个鸡，蛋还是那个蛋。你胆固醇高是你自己的事情，跟人家鸡蛋有什么关系？Okay, that's all for today. See you next lecture.